Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and super friendly. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here today. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Mr. English Clips, because your support helps us create more amazing English lessons.
And I'm Michael, and today we are talking about one of the most important skills in the world, communication skills. Good communication helps you in conversations, jobs, relationships, and even in small daily tasks. So today, Emily and I will help you improve your communication skills with real examples, natural English phrases, and some fun role plays.
Communication is not just about talking, it's also about listening, understanding, and responding clearly. Many English learners say, "I understand everything, but I can't speak," or "I get nervous during conversations." Don't worry, today we will help you speak naturally and confidently.
Yes, and we will also show you some communication tricks that native speakers use, like showing interest, asking follow-up questions, and keeping the conversation smooth. By the end of this lesson, you will be ready to talk in real situations without fear.
So, Michael, let's begin with something simple. What do you think is the first step to improving communication skills?
I think the first step is active listening. Active listening means you don't just hear the words, you understand the meaning, you pay attention to the tone, and you show that you are listening. For example, when someone speaks, you nod your head or you say things like, "I see," "Really?" or "That's interesting."
Exactly. And active listening makes the other person feel comfortable, which makes the conversation easier. If someone feels you're really listening, they will speak more openly. And guess what? That gives you more chances to practice English naturally.
Let's do a simple demonstration. Emily, pretend you were telling me about your weekend, and I will show active listening.
Sure. So, Michael, I had a really great weekend. I went for a long walk in the park, and I saw the most beautiful sunset.
Wow, that sounds amazing. A long walk must have felt relaxing. What did the sunset look like?
It looked like the sky was painted with orange, pink, and purple. It was so peaceful.
That sounds beautiful. I love sunsets too. They always make me feel calm.
See, everyone? That's active listening. Michael responded naturally, asked a question, and made the conversation continue. You can do the exact same thing when you speak English.
Another important communication skill is using simple, clear sentences. Many learners think they need long, complex sentences to sound smart, but that is not true. Clear communication is always better.
Yes. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to inquire about the possible opportunity of meeting tomorrow regarding our project," you can simply say, can we meet tomorrow to talk about the project? Simple, short, clear. That's the key.
And speaking of clear communication, confidence also plays a big role. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, confidence makes your message stronger. A confident voice helps people understand you better.
Confidence comes from practice, so we'll do a fun little role play to help. Michael, let's pretend you are a shy English learner at a coffee shop and I'm the barista. Your goal is to communicate clearly and confidently. Ready?
Let's do it. But I'm going to be a very shy customer, okay?
Perfect. Here we go.
Hi. Hello. Can I maybe get a coffee?
Of course. What size would you like?
Maybe small? I think. Yes, small.
Sure thing. Anything else?
No. Thank you. I mean, yes. I mean, no. Actually, no.
And scene. That is exactly how many learners feel when speaking English. They get nervous, confused, and unsure even when they know the words.
Now, let's do the confident version.
Great. Let's do it.
Hello. Can I have a small coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like anything with it?
No, thank you. That's all.
And see, same words, same person, just confident. The communication becomes clean, clear, and easy.
Another communication skill is asking follow-up questions. Follow-up questions help keep conversations alive. If someone says, I visited my cousin last week, you can ask, oh, nice. Where does your cousin live? Or, what did you do together?
Follow-up questions show interest, make you sound friendly, and help you practice English without running out of things to say. It's like adding more fuel to a conversation.
Let's do a role play using follow-up questions. Emily, you start.
Okay, so Michael, guess what? Yesterday I tried a new restaurant in town.
Really? What kind of food did they serve?
They served Italian food, pizza, pasta, and lots of delicious desserts.
That sounds great. What did you order?
I ordered a creamy mushroom pasta. It was amazing.
Nice. Would you go there again?
Definitely.
See how natural and easy that was. A conversation can flow endlessly if you use follow-up questions.
Another important communication skill is using body language even when speaking online. Smiling, nodding, using hand gestures. These make your communication friendly and more understandable.
Yes, and even when you're speaking on video calls, small gestures help. A smile is powerful. It shows confidence and warmth, and people respond positively. Even if your English is not perfect, a friendly attitude makes communication smooth.
Now let's talk about tone. Tone is the way your voice sounds. A friendly tone makes your message clear and pleasant. A bored tone can make even interesting sentences sound uninteresting.
For example, if someone says, "Nice to meet you," but sounds like, "Nice to meet you," the meaning changes. So, improving your tone can instantly improve your communication skills.
Many English learners forget to breathe while speaking. When you breathe properly, your voice becomes clear. So try speaking in shorter sentences and take a little breath between them. Another helpful tip is to practice speaking slowly. Most learners think speaking fast makes them sound fluent, but actually speaking slowly makes you clearer and more confident.
Yes, and speaking slowly gives your brain time to think, so you make fewer mistakes.
Now, let's do a fun role play. Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time at a party. Michael, you be the person I'm meeting.
All right, I'll be a friendly stranger. Here we go.
Hi there. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. I'm Michael. So, what do you do?
I teach English online and I love helping people improve their communication skills. What about you?
I work as a photographer. I take pictures of nature and people. It's a lot of fun.
That sounds amazing. What's your favorite thing to photograph?
Sunsets. They are peaceful, beautiful, and always different. See, this is a simple, friendly conversation anyone can have.
Exactly. So here's another communication trick. Share small personal details. Not too personal, just simple things like, I like taking photos, or I enjoy cooking. These details help the listener connect with you.
Another thing you can do is repeat key words from the other person's sentence. For example, if Emily says, "I went hiking yesterday," I can respond, "Oh, hiking. Where did you go?" This makes the conversation feel connected.
Also, don't be afraid of silence. Small pauses are normal. Native speakers pause all the time. Silence doesn't mean you are failing, it means you are thinking.
Yes, and thinking is part of communication. So, give yourself time. You don't need to rush.
Now let's teach one of my favorite communication tricks, using transition phrases. Transition phrases help you move from one idea to another smoothly. Here are some examples. By the way, actually, you know, that reminds me. Speaking of that,
Let's show how they work in a conversation. Start, Emily.
Michael, I learned a new recipe yesterday.
Oh, nice. Speaking of that, I've been trying to learn how to cook pasta properly.
Really? That reminds me, last week I burned my pasta completely.
That's funny.
Actually, I think we all burn pasta at least once in life.
See? These small phrases keep the conversation natural.
Another communication skill is expressing your feelings clearly. Instead of just saying, I don't like it, you can say, I'm not really comfortable with that, or I prefer something else. This makes your communication polite and mature.
Yes, politeness is important. Saying please, thank you, and excuse me makes your English sound respectful and professional.
Many learners ask, how can I practice communication if I don't have anyone to talk to? The answer is simple. Practice with yourself. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Talk about your day out loud. All of this improves your communication.
And you can also shadow conversations, which means listening to a speaker and copying how they talk. This helps you learn tone, rhythm, and pronunciation.
Now, let's do a quick, fun mini role play. I'll be someone who gives very short answers, and Emily will try to communicate with me. Ready?
Let's do it. Hey, Michael, how was your day?
Good.
Oh, nice. What did you do today?
Stuff.
Stuff. Like what kind of stuff?
Things.
Okay, this is a perfect example of difficult communication.
Exactly. And now I'll be a good communicator. Ask me again.
Sure. How was your day, Michael?
It was great. I worked on some new photos today, and I also took a walk in the park. The weather was perfect.
That's much better. Good communicators give a little detail so the conversation continues.
So, everyone, communication skills can improve your English speaking, but also your confidence in life. If you practice active listening, clear speech, confidence, follow-up questions, polite expressions, and friendly tone, you will become a strong communicator.
And remember, improving communication takes time, so be patient with yourself. Every day you are improving, even if you don't notice it.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep communicating. You're doing great.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Mr. English Clips, and leave a comment telling us what communication skill you want to improve.
We can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking English and stay confident.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.